Hello everyone. Today our topic is not going to be all of those outrageous stuff. Our topic is simple and this might be eye-opening as well. We are going to be talking about is coding. Yes, is programming important in big 2026. All of us talk about stuff. We have AI and coding with AI plus coding, what you call as vibe coding. So why learn programming in big 2026? And that's going to be the question for all of the people. And what about software engineers jobs in multinational companies, IT companies and other companies, maybe fan companies? There are not going to be any more jobs for software engineers. AI is going to be replacing their jobs. This is just the overall myth which people talk about. When you're looking at lower order jobs or lower level jobs, AI is going to be replacing those jobs. But when you look at higher level intense thinking, critical thinking jobs, we are going to be talking about raw stuff. You have to think, process, analyze, strategize, then you have to code. AI can do the programming part, but what about all these four parts? You are the person who have to be doing this. The human brain has to be doing this. You have to be using AI. You are going to be incorporating AI in the fifth step for doing your programs. But can I tell you guys one fact? So the people who basically use programming, so the people who are basically going to be using AI for programming, they have almost 30% of bugs in their code. So whatever code they generate with the help of AI, there's almost 30% of these codes have bugs in them. So for you to basically debug this, you have to know your basic coding. Your coding is important in this case. If you don't know coding, then how are you going to be debugging it? So you have to be, for you to be debugging it, you should know basic amount of coding or what is going on. But you have to have the knowledge, you have to be processing, strategizing, analytic knowledge is really important. You have to analyze whatever is going on, you have to take on what is the problem, what your project is going to be about. You have to be thinking before you're going to be coding, and that's exactly what we are going to be talking about. See AI as your partner and not your oppressor. See AI not as your enemy. AI is just your partner. You have to be using AI in your jobs. AI can be used in your jobs in all of these ways which I mentioned before. For you to code, just use AI to code. This can almost help human efforts by 30%. But human efforts by 30% and not human jobs by 30%. Only lower order jobs can be replaced, but not about the higher order jobs. All these higher order jobs can be done easily. They can be simplified only by the help of coding, and that's exactly what I wanted to convey in this video. So the final answer in big 2026, is it worth for me to learn coding? Yes, the answer is a big yes. You have to be understanding coding, you have to be knowing coding for you to even debug or understand what's going on in this case. So learning coding is a must. And you have to be learning coding to sustain high in the market. And you should also know how to incorporate AI into coding. I'll meet you tomorrow in a new video. And then bye, see you later. It's Meshman signing off.